Okay, so welcome back. So our session was disconnected. So we will continue where we left. Okay, so we in this diagram, what we have done, we created VLANs. Second, we created trunk. We created VTP. We created spanning tree, STP. Then we created ether channel. Then sixth one we created XSRP. See, all the switching topics in one lab. I can say all in one. Okay. So, okay, our verification, we were doing the verification. So, see, this is actually the troubleshooting steps. When you tried, see, yes, and last we just tried to ping this guy. So it was not pinging. So there is a problem. So we need to verify that. How to verify? Okay. So first thing, this guy is 192.168.10.10. So can we first verify its IP address? How do I verify? IP config. Okay. Its IP address and gateway. Always verify this thing. 10.10 and 10.1. This is fine. Okay. Now this is fine. Now next go to the switch. Okay, go to the switch, access switch. And here show VLAN. Verify the VLAN. Okay, VLAN 10, this past signal 051 it associated. So this is fine, perfect. So now this is done. So now go to here, 41. Okay, so we need to, okay, so first thing, next one more troubleshooting. Can this guy ping to its own gateway? That is one of the verification. Ping 192.168.10.1. Yes, so it's reaching till here. Okay, perfect. Guys, I got the problem. Can someone tell me what will be the problem? Okay, see, this guy is going to gateway. Also, this guy from the VLAN 20, what is this IP address? IP config. See, oh, it is 20.2 and it's gateway 20.1. Can it reach to gateway 192.168.20.1? Yes, it's reaching to gateway. So when I'm trying to ping from red VLAN to blue VLAN, where it will go? Different networks. It will go here, multi-layer switch. So multi-layer switch, you remember, we need to enable the routing. So if you see here, show MAC address table, it has the MAC address table. But show IP route, can you see here? Nothing. So there is one command, IP routing. That's it. Similarly on this switch also, to start the router capability, IP routing. So now it will build the routing table. Now if you go and check here, show IP route. Can you see you have the routes? So now go to this machine and try to this machine and try pinging here. So first packet will be bit drop. See, it's pinging now. So similarly from 20.2, see, for 10.11 obviously it is the same VLAN it will go, because it will not go to gateway. So but intra VLAN, when it's going VLAN red to VLAN blue, it has to go to its gateway, because gateway is nothing but entry and exit point. So if you can verify like this, tracer 192.168.20.10. First it's going to its gateway and it's going then it's going here. So similarly, you can verify from here also, from blue machine, blue VLAN to red VLAN. So how? Ping 192.168.10.10. So it's passing here. So from here it's going here, from here here. So trace it 192.168.10. Can you see 20.2? It's going there first. 20.2 is 20.2 and here. So this is how we, this is called a fully redundant network. So this is a complete LAN with L2 and L3 capability where we use all these technologies. So now you can make n number of complex networks like this. Like you have this two, right? So you can extend. Like let's say you have another floor tomorrow. So just go there and add. Just what you need to do, just get trunks from here to here, here to here, 4.1 to 4.2. Okay, and you can add multiple VLANs. If suppose you want to add another some printer VLAN tomorrow, so very easy. Config terminal VLAN 30, name, with the name printer. Okay, so that printer VLAN, it will automatically it will come here. Show VLAN, can you see printer VLAN can. So if you have any printer, okay, these printers you can connect here. Every floor will have some printer, right? So all printer in every floor will be in that VLAN, VLAN 30, and that printer's gateway will be configured here. You understand? So this is how the redundancy. And let's say like this gateway level redundancy. So what will happen? Let's say I'm going to shut down interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 21 till, sorry, let's say your core 1 is down. See, it becomes shut down. So now see, everything will start um, happening. So this is down. See, this all ports are down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now all the load will come to this guy. How? If you go and check, see, it's saying now this guy core 2 become state from standby to active. See, for the VLAN 10, core 2 was standby, but now it become active. So if you go and check, show standby, can you see VLAN 10, it become active, and standby is showing known unknown because that switch gone down, right? But still your traffic will run, no problem with that. You can just go and verify that nothing will happen to your endpoints. They will not know are they going from core 1 or core 2. See, 20.10. Okay, 20.10. So this guy is going from here to here. Then there is something. Okay, can this guy going to gateway? Let's see that. 10.1. Yeah, it's going to gateway. Gateway is nothing but this guy because this is down. So it's going here. So VLAN 10. VLAN 10. Can it ping to here? 192.168.10.10? Yeah. And can it ping to 20.10? Okay. Some problems here. So problem is not from 10.10. Problem is something from here. So we need to see that. Okay, so let's go to this machine. So guys, this is actually the actual troubleshooting. So where you want to verify ping, trace route. That's why see, I created the problem in this diagram and I'm trying to show the troubleshooting steps. Okay, so ping. Uh, Always, if something is not pinging, first check its IP config. Okay, 20 dot. So first ping to its gateway 192.168.20.1. See, it's not pinging to its gateway. That's why it is not coming. So gateway means gateway is configured here. So we need to go and check here. So IP interface brief for 20. CVLAN 20. Okay, this is up. So standby brief. For VLAN 20. 68. So 20.1. It should ping. VLAN 20 and its gateway is this one. Can I, if I say show R, 20.10. See, I have the ARP entries from this switch to this switch. So why it is not going? So this guy, it is sending packet from here to it's going to gateway. So I'm trying to return. Okay, from the same path. Okay. So let me create one more trunk between these switches. 422 to 422. So let me make a trunk there. Terminal interface first Ethernet 0 by 22 switch port mode trunk. Also on the switches spanning tree mode PVS. Rapid fast PVS. We did not use that initially. We will use it. Spanning tree mode rapid fast PVS. So can we try now? 20.10. Can it ping 20.10? I'm checking the system.
No. I think that's wrong.
You know, somehow no, it's still not going to the gateway.
Trunk mode.
Where?
Switch port mode trunk. No negotiate.
No,
Partially.
no, that will take
Or
some time.
already made in trunk.
322 already became trunk. Okay.
But that one is N in it. No, shade. That's N.
Once. You know what happened here is I'm here, I'm going to this guy. So this is down right now. Some gateway problem. Can I ping 91.20.10? Yeah, from here I'm able to ping 42. So whenever
Maybe in a
we
different port. Maybe it's in a different port.
no, this one is already verified. Okay, maybe some. Okay, now it's pinging now. Can you see?
When I was pinging. Okay.
It's pinging now. And if I go here, it's pinging now. So maybe some cabling or some thing was happening there. It's a packet tracer. It is not a real machine. So
Yeah.
see, in one lab, we done everything of the switching, interfaces, troubleshooting. Also, this is also a troubleshooting session. So we made this guy shut down. So now all the load came here. So when I come back this one, so you can see with the help of print, this guy will become active again. So I will say no shutdown. So now you can just see here, you will see the VLAN 10 message here. So VLAN 10 will become active again. HSRP active. Okay, can you see? So first it said VLAN 20, it become a standby. Why? Because our priority is, we did not set a priority. It set 100. But for VLAN 10, our priority is 150. So for VLAN 10, it should come as active. We should expect show standby. Yes, see, it become active, it becomes standby. That's it. Any queries here? All in one.
What's the common problem in data center switch? Like the one, the common problem.
Common problem. Common problem is most of the time gateway on the computer, the gateway will be wrong. Okay, first thing. So always troubleshooting step, first try to ping your gateway directly. So you will see that from here to here my line is clear. Okay, if gateway is pinging, then try to ping the another guy, another network. If it is not, then the problem is layer 3 problem. Gateway, the problem should be on the gateway. So we have seen that routing problem and all. But on the first side, and sometimes, okay, first try to, if you are unable to ping the gateway, then check on L2. Your VLAN, have you assigned that port into that particular VLAN? That is the another thing. So you need to, the troubleshooting always start from bottom to up. So always try from the layer 1. Is your cables are fine or not? Then check the layer 2. is the port is associated in particular VLAN? Is this switch listening the MAC address in this one layer 2? Then try ping from here to your gateway layer 3. Then from one network to another network. Then layer 4, here, layer 3 in the routing mechanism. So like this, these are the problems. So apart from this, in HSRP, like if you do a proper configuration with but taking the notepad, okay, this if you plan, okay, this will be my gateway, this will be my standby group, so there will be no problem. And also for spanning tree, if you have 10 VLAN, so 10 VLAN gateway of HSRP, this will be 10 VLAN HSRP gateway, this will be for 10 VLAN. So load sharing. Similarly, for spanning tree, this will be a root bridge, this will be root bridge for the next 10. So load sharing. So this is a complete redundant network. So like this, you can add n number of networks, you can add n number of buildings, but your core will be the same. So with this, you can extend your network one by one. So layer 2 to layer 3, you're connecting this one. So that's it. Any questions?
You know, yesterday you show us in a PBT, there is another switch, which is distribution switch there between access and core. That one you configure as a trunk, is it?
Access and switch. Okay. See,
You show us in the PBT, I have seen
yeah.
it.
Okay. So this is like tier 2. Like you have access and core directly. So if you want to extend, you can make a tier 3 diagram also. Like you can make this guy core. Then below that you can create two more multi-layer switches and make them distribution, and let these guys access. So it is again up to you how the complication and how things you want to do. See, apart you can create here. So this will be your core layer. This will be distribution, and this will be access layer.
So between the second one and the third one will be trunk, only trunk, is it? Configure trunk only.
Yes. Interface to
Okay.
interface, switch to switch. Every interface will be trunk port,
Okay.
and these all ports will be the access ports.
Okay.
So ether channel we use between core to core, or sometime if you want to use this one from access to core, that also you can make a trunk, and you can make ether channel. So these all labs will in one. So this is if you're able to do this lab successfully, then I can guarantee your switching is completed. You are good for the switching. Okay, so what left in the switching in the advanced, so like in the CCNP, CCNA level, CCI level, so you will have some like in the switching some interfaces related, like show interface fast to connect 0 by 1. So you can see is the protocol, what is the speed, and the duplex and all. So this study will be there. So you can explore that slowly. So those things and some more details. Come on, so standby. So see, so standby. It is giving whole time and all. So we can have some more. We can change some these values, hello interval and all. We can do some debugging, some. So this type of troubleshooting things and all. So those things will come slowly, but not now. That for after these, see these things are enough to get the job. So once you start the job, then you will explore a lot of troubleshooting steps. But we cannot replicate each and every troubleshooting everything in the labs. Okay, the real time you have to work in the real time after this. But you need to keep practicing this one, and tomorrow we'll start the routing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I will pause this one.